I am going to watch Playtime with the Exes.
Among Us! Among Us! Among Us! Among Us!
What the dog doing?
The Exes is the best show there ever was. I could watch every episode of it.
Hey all, Scott here and—
Your ass is mine! You're under arrest!
Now I'm getting the death penalty.
Doctor, you have committed a heinous crime and you're getting the mumbles.
I am King Daddy, and you are in fat ass trouble. I am sentencing you to dance. Oh wait. It says death. My mistake. Off went his head.
No, I'm getting the death penalty and I'm gonna die forever.
Hey all, Scott
That was
here and—
insanity!
I own Sonic Jam! It's a pretty rare game, but I—
Among Us! Your ass is mine! You're under arrest!